So you get a living area right here. So this is right into the kitchen. This master bedroom or the place of the owner. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Canvas and Cove, built by Assets at Begur Road, and we're going to go inside and check out the property. This is massive, 17 acres of property, and it's going to take a long while, a beautiful long video. But apart from that, I want to tell you a fun fact. Housey is India's largest real estate platform, which allows you to get in touch with the developers directly and get the base rates of your favorite dream homes. So ladies and gentlemen, come quickly, book your free visits and book your dream homes with us. So this is phase 2 and this is the entrance to phase 2. These are ultra luxury apartments. This is spread over 9 acres of land, and obviously once again A, and there's another B that side, and C. So let's talk about the apartments that are here. So the first apartment, the Tower A, has ground plus 28 floors. Again, basement is 2 floors. And you have Tower B, that is ground plus 20 floors. Again, basement has 2 floors for parking. You also have Tower C, which has ground floor plus 25 floors above it and 2 floors of basement. There are total of 650 flats. Ladies and gentlemen, they are whopping and massive. This is bigger. Phase 2 is bigger, more spacious, more massive compared to phase 1. So you can select what you like to buy and you can look at what are your requirements like. So one of the biggest USPs of the amenities of phase B, I want to tell you, they have a massive cricket pitch right here. They have an indoor cricket stadium, and they also have 85 to 90 car park spaces for different people and the guests and all of that arrive. And this is, I think, the biggest plus point that they have right here for phase B. Now moving on to the rest of the amenities, that is on the other side, and they're really far away from each other. This is a massive model, so you can imagine how massive the real project is going to be. So they also have a skating ring right here, if you see. Yes, this side is the skating ring as well, and this is the clubhouse that they have for phase B. This is a swimming pool, the kids play area. This is an amphitheater as well, and walking area for everybody who would like to walk. And you have a volleyball beach play area as well. These are common areas which phase 1 and phase B can use, phase 2 can use, and this is a netted cricket pitch that we have right here. There's too many amenities for me to cover, and then yes, once again, the phase 1, the USP for this is 5 acres of a park. There's also a pet park right here. This is a pet park where your pets can also feel free to come and enjoy themselves. Let's move on to the model of different flats and what all they have available and how they have built, why they have built, all of that. So ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the concept on which Canvas and Cove homes were built upon. That was carbon healing home. So they're building on this concept where they're trying to safeguard the environment and being recycling friendly and waste friendly as well. The very first thing is waste management, where they are taking all your kitchen waste or your wet waste and converting into energy in their biogas plants, right? So they use this energy as electricity in their clubhouses and common area of lighting in case of emergency. So all your wet waste is converted into electricity. How cool is that? So the next thing is they have centralized RO water purifiers, and they have bore wells. They have 6 bore wells for phase 1 and I think many more for phase 2. So this is how they are converting their drinking water. So they go to the water softeners from there and directly onto your kitchen taps. So all your drinking water is centralized. They also have conserving electricity, that is motion sensors in the complete community, in all places where it is possible. If it will sense your motion, if you're there, then the electricity switches on. If you're not there, the electricity doesn't switch on. So that is how they conserve electricity, and zero waste to land. So what they do in this place, this community is. They make sure that no waste goes out of the community. All the waste is recycled and converted within these homes inside the community. They have different places for all of it, and it is completely very smartly, naturally planned because they care for the environment, simply because of that. And the deeper groundwater recharge pits are there as well, and also rainwater harvesting. So they have kept in mind every single element of how to conserve and be environment friendly, and to make sure that you have the healthiest living possible and give back to planet Earth. Well, hi, we're outside phase 2. This is a 3 BHK flat of phase 2, and it smells of ultra luxury. It's going to be fabulous. I love the phase 2. I think it just smells so premium. It's so spacious, much bigger, and this is 1825 square feet of super built up area. Welcome, you get a floor space right here to welcome your family, guests, all of that. And come on, walk in. Look at this. You get a shoe rack and inside drawer area as well. This is so stunning to walk into. Very earthy, very beautiful, very welcoming feeling. So my vibe actually. So you get a living area right here, and you get to put your TV there and watch TV with your kids and family. Super stunning. Extremely spacious. This is so spacious. It's so beautiful. And look at this. This is your dining area, which you just walk into. So well furnished. I think their furniture is so incredible. Look at the wood finish, and also this decorative pieces that are here. It is stunning. It is super beautiful. The plants, everything is so nice. Extremely well done. Look at the lights. Look at the lights right here. The paintings and everything. This is completely done in-house. So yes, so stunning. And from the dining area, once again, let's move into the kitchen. Kitchen is your play area. You can do whatever you like again with the kitchen. This is going to be a blank canvas for all of you. So this is right into the kitchen, and you get an 8 feet long window once again. And the speciality or the extra nugget is that you get an extra utility space right here. Yeah, you get this space and also washing machine space. Whatever it is, you can use this space for yourself accordingly. It's going to be blank to you. So yes, you get an extra utility space and you can do whatever you like, and that's fabulous. Let's move on. And again, a very, very spacious balcony. Once again, I love the balcony. You can sit with your family once again and sit and chill here in the balcony. Stunning. And what a view. It's so super breezy and spacious and very, very beautifully decorated. You're really going to enjoy staying in this house. So let's move on to the next room. That is the master bedroom. And once again, fun fact about Housey, it allows you to see all the transparency and the views of your dream home, the locations, the amenities, everything transparent, so that you can make your decision of buying your dream home. And now walking into the luxurious master bedroom, or the place of the owner, I must say. This is very fabulous. Once again, the flooring is wooden flooring, extra special, extra luxurious. You have a huge balcony within the room right now. So this is another speciality of phase 2. So that is why I said it smells ultra luxury. Look at this space. You have a big, huge balcony within your bedroom, so that you can wake up to a beautiful scenery and actually go out here and do yoga and stuff like that, and utilize your balcony also. And you have another specialty, every girl's dream. So if you like to own walk-in wardrobes, so this is your dream come true. Look at this beautiful stunning walk-in wardrobe right here. So you have this stunning space. You can do whatever with it. You can hang your clothes the way you want to. You can design it for yourself. And there's an attached bathroom. The attached bathroom is also very, very beautiful. The fittings are Jaguar fittings, high quality fittings. And look at the shower area as well. Extremely stunning. So you can shower, come out, get dressed in your walk-in wardrobe, feel special, get out, get ready for the day. So yes, let's move out of here and move into the other rooms that we have. We have a lot of rooms here, a lot of space as well. So you also have another bathroom. That is the common bathroom here. So this is another common bathroom right in the hall. So for all your guests, everybody coming in, you have something here, and you have another shower area. You have a separate tile right there, wooden finish, ceramic tile, and Jaguar fittings once again into the bathroom. Very quality. And let's move on to the kids' room. This is the baby's room. Very pretty again. You have very nice furniture, very cozy bed, and you have a study table right there so that your baby can sit down and study, and also some extra space for you to store whatever you like. You can probably design it according to yourself as well. So this is what you get in your kids' room, and humongous windows once again, well lit, well ventilated, so that all your family can have good health. And we're now moving into this beautiful part of the house, that is the guest bedroom, or you can just say another different kind of a master bedroom. This is so beautiful. You have another very big window right here. You have a study space right there, and ta-da! My favorite space again, walk-in wardrobe. I love this. So yes, you have another space, a walk-in wardrobe right here. This is a humongous room once again, and you also have a attached bathroom right here. You have a shower space right there. You have the different flooring for the shower space once again, the wooden ceramic finish for the floor, and once again the Jaguar fittings in the bathroom. You have a stunning space right here. So this is also another very luxurious room. I love it. This is no less than the master bedroom itself, and the master bedroom you saw it had an extra balcony. So this is fabulous. This is luxury at its peak, I think so, in phase 2. Very sustainable and eco-friendly living. So yes, if you like to give back to the planet, I think this is the place to be. And if you have a big family, you like being with a lot of people, this is a perfect flat for you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.